Hello students, let's we continue our lesson that is nutrition in living organisms. In that we will see the next topic that is autotrophic plants. Here they ask question, can you tell how do plants produce their own food? Students, we know that those plants produce their own food with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. Plants also need food for their growth. They can produce their own food with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. Plants make their food in their leaves using water and nutrients from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. This process is called as photosynthesis. So we have given the information how the plant produce their food, as well as they have given the definition of photosynthesis. When the plants produce their own food with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, that process is called photosynthesis. Plants make their food in their leaves. So that is the green part of the plant, and in the leaves there is a chlorophyll is present. Chlorophyll, it gives the green color to the plant or for the leaves. Using water and nutrients. The water and nutrients that is absorbed by the plants from the soil, and carbon dioxide from the air, as well as it absorbs the carbon dioxide from the air, and this process is called as photosynthesis. Student, they have given the chemical reaction of the photosynthesis process. Carbon dioxide plus water, that plants takes carbon dioxide plus water with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, it produces their food and gives out oxygen. The complete chemical reaction they have given, that is valence reaction, 6 CO2, that is carbon dioxide plus 6 H2O, that is water molecules. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it gives the food that is called glucose. Its chemical molecular formula C6H12O6 plus 6O2, that is oxygen, that is released in the atmosphere. This is the chemical reaction of photosynthesis process. Plants convert light energy into chemical energy and store it in the form of food. Water, minerals and salts are absorbed by roots from the soil. The stem transport them up to the leaves. Students, first we see that is how the plants produce their own food, and afterwards they have given that is water, minerals and salts are absorbed from the roots by the plants, and the food that is transferred up to the leaves. The leaves have microscopic opening called stomata through which they take in the carbon dioxide from the air. So here they have given the chloroplast present, and on the leaves the small openings we can observe on the leaves, and through that is absorb the carbon dioxide from the air. The chloroplast present in the leaves contain chlorophyll which absorbs sunlight. That chloroplast that absorb the sunlight from the surrounding, helping to the convert carbon dioxide and water into food. That sunlight that helps to the plants that convert the carbon dioxide and water into the food. Oxygen is given out in this process. Besides leaves, photosynthesis takes place in the some other parts like green stems too, as they contain chlorophyll. Students, not only in the leaves but the green parts, like here they have given the example of stems, there also the photosynthesis processes occur.